What's up, everyone? How are you all doing today? And today we are in Philadelphia. This is it's not really part two, but last week we did the Temple University tour, and now we are doing a quick Temple University Residence Hall outdoor tour just to see, what all they have to offer with residence halls. And they have a lot of off-campus housing, which is cheaper than living on campus, trust me. But no, so we're just gonna go see. I think they have like 6 different residence halls, and some of them have dining halls and some don't. So let's go ahead and let's check it out. All right, y'all, so here I am outside of Morgan Hall. You have North and you have Morgan Hall South, and these may be either these or Temple Towers are the most expensive to live on campus, but they are really nice on the inside. If you can become a resident assistant here, I say do it. You get free housing, and here they also have a food court. They have a lot of different places. They have sideline shops. They have Insomnia cookies. It's right also close to the Fresh Grocer Market, and it's also close to that plaza where it's the Dunkin' Donuts, Wendy's, T-Mobile, AMC theaters. It's so many things right here by Fresh Grocer, and it's right over here by Ritter Hall, so it's not a far walk off of classrooms and all that good stuff. It just depends what classrooms you're going to. All right, everyone, so here I am in front of Temple Towers, which is right next to Morgan Hall North and Morgan Hall South. So it's really still close to the Fresh Grocer and the plaza and all that good stuff. And if I'm not mistaken, both Morgan Hall North and Morgan Hall South and Temple Towers is for all classes, not just freshmen, sophomore, juniors, or seniors, or anything like that. All right, y'all, so scratch what the heck I just said about that being Temple Towers. That was 1,300. Behind me is Temple Towers. My sincerest apologies. So right across the street, well, right next door to, so we have Morgan, then you have 1,300, and then you have Temple Towers. All right, y'all, so this is not it's not a residence hall, but this is the view at Montgomery. It's not too far from Leocoris Walk, but it's a really nice place. So I just had to add this one into the video. And they have a Blaze Pizza here. They have a Potbelly. They have a Chipotle. And then that is campus right over there. So it's really right next to the Student Center. All right, y'all. So right on Leocoris Walk, we have 1940. And this is also right by Tomlinson Theater. So this is the 1940 Residence Hall, and if I'm not mistaken, this hall is for freshmen only. Each residence hall has a certain policy for like packages or something like that. I'm not sure if they all take it. I think they all do, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, so that was 1940, and now we're gonna make our way over to Johnson and Hardwick, which is a freshman only dorm. That I know for a fact. But they also have the 2 residence halls that I know, let me cross the street, with dining halls are J&H, which is Johnson and Hardwick has a dining hall, and also Morgan Hall, which is on the other side of campus, has a dining hall. All right, y'all, so this is the outside of Johnson and Hardwick Hall. So this is the residence hall right here. Let's walk in and see. You have electric plug station right there for your car. Johnson and Hardwick Halls. And this over here is the dining hall. They're closed, of course, because it's holiday break. But yeah. All right, y'all. So the last stop, the last residence hall we are making our way to today is going to be the James S. White Hall. And that is actually where I lived at my freshman year. And let me tell you, it's the furthest off of campus. It's the furthest residence hall off of campus. Like the freaking furthest. So this, as we approach, you have a McDonald's to your right side. Some bike stops over here. And here, my friend, is going to be Whitehall. our tour here at Temple University. Thank you all so much for tuning in to yet another episode of Rolling with Nick Campus Edition. You all are amazing. My time here at Temple was amazing. And please make sure you all like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you won't miss any of the latest content. Tell your friends, and please also tell me what schools you want to see me go to. But until next time, stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed. Tell someone that you love them, and I will see you all later.